These AI tools saved me hundreds of dollars in subscription, and I can't believe people are not talking about it. If you are a content creator, business owner, freelancer, this AI. Hey guys, this is I review the newest AI tools on the internet, so you don't have to stress yourself. So in today's video, I'm diving into Ultimate AI, an AI tool that changed the game for everybody. I'm gonna be showing you how it works, what it does. I'm just gonna be walking you through the entire process of this particular AI, so you can know exactly how this really works. So by the way, if you are someone who loves discovering new AI on the internet, you want to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out my next coming video. Without wasting too much time, let's dive right in.
Welcome to the Ultimate AI dashboard. Right up top, you've got your workspace manager, quick links to home, training videos, settings, and your profile, everything neatly laid out. Now just below that, this is your command center, AI podcast, AI avatar videos, AI video creator, voice cloner, AI image generator, graphic designer, website builder, ad creatives, AI agents, social media manager, YouTube manager, email writer, blog writer, sales copywriter, AI code generator, and yes, even an all-in-one AI writer. Let's explore them one by one. And first up, podcast creation. Create a studio quality podcast with AI in minutes. Click podcast, then hit create new podcast. First, choose your anchor one from hundreds of ready-to-use templates, then add your script, and boom, the scene is ready. Pick voice from 1,400 plus AI voices, or even clone your own. Now for anchor 2, same steps. Pick a voice, add your dialogue. Once you're done, just click generate podcast, and in a few minutes, your AI-powered episode is ready to stream, share, or download.
Hello everyone, I have a big question for you today. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is my big red car. Vroom, vroom.
And I'm Benji. Heh.
3 things I don't like when talking to me.
Cat, and I'm your cat. Be real.
You ever seen a Dutch person?
They're big.
How long do you last?
Oh, man.
No, be real.
Oh.
Want to make tweaks? Click listing and jump straight into our timeline editor. Feels just like Camtasia, but powered by AI. All right, next up, let's bring your brand to life with AI avatar videos. Click on Create New Video. Then choose from over 2,000 plus pre-built, done-for-you moving avatars. Every style, every vibe, every niche covered. Add your script. Pick from 1,400 plus AI voices, or go personal and clone your own voice in seconds. Then hit generate. Boom, your avatar video is ready in just a few minutes. Watch it, download it, post it, or jump into the timeline editor if you want to fine-tune like a pro.
Hello and welcome to Ultimate AI. I'm so glad you're here today, because what we're about to explore can truly transform the way you work, create, and innovate.
Hello and welcome to Ultimate AI.
Every project starts with excitement.
Opportunities rarely knock politely. They kick the door open when you're least ready.
Confidence doesn't mean you have all the answers. It means you trust yourself to figure them out.
People think success is a lightning strike, a single lucky moment.
You don't need everything figured out before you start.
Next is the full-fledged timeline video editor. Just click it, give your project a name, and step into your very own editing suite. Choose from hundreds of high-converting templates, or start from scratch with a blank canvas. Let's create a quick video together. Watch this. In just minutes, you've got a professional, scroll-stopping video ready to blast on social media. Use it for reels and shorts, explainers, promos, courses, intros, ads, anything. Now let's move to the voice cloner. This one's built for sales pros, course creators, podcasters, anyone who needs studio-quality voiceovers. Drop in your script. Pick a voice. Or upload a 15-second voice sample to instantly clone your own voice. And yes, this voice you're hearing, it's not recorded, it's cloned using Ultimate AI. In minutes, you can create your own realistic voice for videos, ads, or podcasts. Try it now and hear the magic. All right, click generate, And boom, your voiceover is ready. Listen.
Hello and welcome to Ultimate AI. I'm so glad you're here today because what we're about to explore can truly transform the way you work, create, and innovate. In this session, we'll take a deep dive into some of the most powerful AI tools and
Download, share. It's perfect for VSLs, reels, sales videos, trainings, or adding a human touch to your content without ever recording yourself. All right, now let's talk visuals. Next, we're stepping into the AI image section. And trust me, this part alone replaces half a dozen expensive tools. You've got access to every top AI image generation category people are going crazy for right now. First up, AI image generation. Pick a style. Realistic, cartoon, fantasy, 3D. Drop in your prompt, choose number of outputs, aspect ratio, hit generate, and within seconds, your custom image is ready. Then we've got AI fashion generator. Perfect for e-com catalogs and fashion brands. Just pick a model, choose the outfit, and boom. High converting catalog images in one click. Want clean product shots? Use background remover. Upload your image and it'll erase the background flawlessly. Great for Amazon, Shopify, or Instagram sellers. Next, face generator. Upload a reference image, give a creative prompt, and generate a fresh, new AI face instantly. Super resolution. Turn blurry pics into sharp, high-res visuals. Magic Mix. Blend two different images into one artistic masterpiece. Logo Maker. Drop a brand name or keyword and get unique logo concepts designed for you. Download, share, use in your projects. Everything is instant. Oh, and we're just getting started. Deepfake Generator. Swap faces and create hilarious or promo-style visuals. Image to image. Get multiple angles or styles from a single photo. Stock library of over 15 million plus images, videos, and GIFs. Search, pick, use for any project, anytime, royalty-free. All right, that wraps up the AI image section. Now let's head straight into your built-in graphic designer, aka your all-in-one Canva replacement. Without the monthly fee, inside, you'll find over 1,500 plus done-for-you graphic templates, covering every top niche and use case you can think of. Just choose what you want to create, drag it into the editor, customize text, colors, images, all in seconds. Or hey, if you're feeling creative, start from scratch and build your own custom design. No design skills, no learning curve. Just click, drag, and launch. Use it for client work, your own brand, ads, thumbnails. All right, let's jump to the next beast, Website Builder, where you launch stunning sites without writing a single line of code. You'll instantly get access to 25 plus professionally designed website templates, covering every major niche, coaches and consultants, fitness and wellness, local businesses, agencies, freelancers, and creators. Let's select a template. Click, load, boom. In seconds, the full site is ready to customize. From here, you can edit anything and everything. Text, images, colors, buttons, countdown timers, testimonials, all with simple drag and drop. Want to add a new section? Just drag it in. Choose from 150 plus pre-built blocks like pricing tables, contact forms, galleries, product showcases. Fully mobile responsive and fully editable. Change the layout, one click. Change colors, one click. Add videos, animations, pop-ups. Yep, one click. This is more than a website builder. It's your brand launchpad. Plus, free hosting is included. That's right. No extra cost, no tech hassle. With Ultimate AI, you're in control. Click, build, publish, done. All right, let's move to the ad creative generator. Think of this as your personal social media manager that never sleeps. This beast will generate scroll-stopping headlines, proven ad copy formulas, attention-grabbing creatives, and high-converting templates in just seconds. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Instagram promos, or YouTube campaigns, this tool does the heavy lifting. Just pick your goal, fill out a few details, and boom, your ad is ready to launch. It's branding plus business, fully managed by AI. Now let's take it to the next level. Meet your AI agents. You get 75 plus pre-trained AI employees who work 24/7. No salary, no burnout, no hiring headaches. From content creation to search engine optimization, script writing, planning, email writing, design tasks, and more. They're ready to take commands and deliver fast. You can assign tasks manually, or just talk to them like you're speaking to Siri or Alexa. Hey AI, write me a 5-email welcome sequence for my fitness coaching offer. Done. Hey AI, create Instagram captions for my beauty brand. Done. Each agent is trained for a specific niche or task, and they execute it with 10 times speed and precision. Now that's what we call real automation. And speaking of content, the next one is gold for creators and businesses alike, the social media content creator. This one is your daily driver for organic reach and personal branding. It creates captions, hooks, post ideas, quote graphics, carousels for all major platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, and more. Our system is trained on platform algorithms, so your content isn't just pretty, it performs, whether you're an agency, coach, local biz owner, or solopreneur. This tool helps you stay consistent, grow faster, and look professional online. Next up, the YouTube Optimizer. This one's a game changer if you want to grow on YouTube without scratching your head for hours. It's fully trained on YouTube's latest algorithms and helps you generate attention-grabbing video titles, full video scripts, shorts, long-form, reels, you name it. SEO-optimized descriptions, high-traffic hashtags, call-to-action lines, engagement-boosting questions, YouTube ad scripts, and even trending plus collaborative content ideas. If you're a YouTuber, agency, or even a faceless creator, this tool helps you plan, script, and launch content like a pro. Now moving to the email writer and scheduler. Click on Create New, fill out your email topic, audience, and tone, and boom, your entire email sequence is ready to go. It works for affiliate marketers, coaches, SaaS founders, freelancers, agencies, and anyone looking to send more emails with less effort. Need welcome emails, cold pitches, cart abandon flows? It's all here. AI written, perfectly structured, and ready to schedule. Next stop, blog writer, a Noto publisher. Click Create New, fill out your topic, audience, and style. And within seconds, a full-length SEO-optimized blog is ready to publish. You can post it instantly or schedule it to go live later on. And in WordPress, Blogger, or your connected CMS in one click. Perfect for agencies, bloggers, content marketers, and service providers looking to rank faster and post more consistently. Next, copywriting. Click Create New, fill out your topic, copy type, and enter your reference URL or keyword. And within seconds, a full-length SEO-optimized copywriting is ready to publish. Next, AI code generator. Create a various code by using only text commands. Select programming language, enter your provide instructions, and boom, your generated code is ready to publish. Next, AI writer, your smart content partner. Choose options and get content quickly. Choose languages, tones, and use case. Now enter your description keyword. Hit generate in seconds. Fresh, tailored content. Fast, simple, powerful. Now let's talk about something powerful. The agency panel. This is where you turn Ultimate AI into your own brand. You can add and manage client accounts, invite your team, fully white label the dashboard with your logo and domain, and launch your own branded AI business in minutes. Even better, we've included a done-for-you agency setup that gives you client proposals, service packages, promo materials, templates to close high-ticket AI clients, and even sales scripts to pitch confidently whether you're starting from scratch or scaling fast. This is your shortcut to a 6-figure AI agency setup, and there you have it. I tried to cover as much as possible in this short demo, but inside your dashboard, you'll find step-by-step training videos for every single feature. From podcasting to voice cloning, from website building to social media domination, Ultimate AI is built for creators, solopreneurs, agencies, and everyday hustlers who want to scale with smart automation. No recurring fees, no extra tools needed. Just one powerful platform with unlimited access.
So that's it. So overall, I think Ultimate AI is 100% worth it. If you are looking for a way to save money and also getting the pro level AI content creation in just one place. So I will give it a solid 9/10 because of how much value it packs into just one time price. So if you are ready, there is a link in the description for you to get access. And if you really find this review helpful, Don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell icon, like, and just turn on that notification so you don't miss out my next coming update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.